Hi there, I'm Parag Mone. Welcome to this webcast. In the last episode, we looked at customer management features of ServiceNow. In this one, we will take a look at asset management features of ServiceNow. So let's get started. ServiceNow Asset Management helps in tracking life cycle of an asset. Asset is a specific product instance that is supported for a customer. ServiceNow Asset Management contains vital information of the products and services sold to your customers. This install base is your resource to determine each customer's product and installation details. That includes item numbers, serial numbers, lot numbers, revision history, order numbers, order dates, current status of an instance, installation address, technical and administrative contacts, and much more details. Asset management leverages ServiceNow's proven asset and configuration item management framework. CI classes captures key attributes of an item. For example, item number, item description, physical attribute of an item such as height, weight, length, width, etc. An asset class captures key attributes of an asset such as install date, asset status, asset owner, installation location, etc. Model category basically ties both asset and CI classes together. Example of a model category for a networking company would be a network appliance. A product model or an item is a specific good or service that your company sells to the customer. Product model is usually associated with a model category. Over here, for the same networking company, a product will be a router of series X100. An asset is a specific instance of an item. It captures information such as serial number, install date, owner of the asset. In a while, we'll log in the application and see how typical asset and product looks like in ServiceNow. Here are some of the key features of ServiceNow Asset Management which helps to track customer assets. Let's start with asset classes. ServiceNow offers default asset classes such as hardware, software, license, and consumable. If required, you can also define your own asset classes with custom attributes. Asset ownership helps you in keeping track of the multiple parties related with the asset. For example, asset owner, ship to customer, bill to customer, status of the asset, etc. Installation details captures location information related to asset. An asset could be installed at customer location or present in the inventory warehouse. Through related list of entities, you can track cases, contracts, entitlements associated with an asset. Okay, so we have looked at some of the key features of ServiceNow Asset Management. Now let me go ahead and log in into ServiceNow instance. Let's go to customer service application. Under products, you should see these two options which helps you in managing products and assets. Let's take a look at the products. Over here you can define all the products and services that a company is selling to the customer. Let's open this specific product. Over here you can specify general attributes of a product such as name of the product, a short description, model number, owner and status. You can associate one or more model categories to the product. You can also capture financial information such as salvage value, cost and depreciation. Over here, you can capture physical attributes of a product such as height, weight, length, and few more attributes. You can also specify compatible products, substitute products, assets related to this product. You can also see configured item related to this product. You can define or add your own substitutions under product management. Okay, this is all about products. Now let's take a look at the asset. Let's open this specific asset. Asset captures key information such as associated product, that is a model, serial number, owning party, installation location, and even a cost. Under related list, you can see related or child assets, cases raised for the specific asset, contacts of the asset, and entitlement coverage for this asset. We will take a look at the entitlement and contract in the next episode in detail. Asset management helps you in tracking complete life cycle of an asset systematically. You can consume, retire, or even scrap the asset. You can track if it is in transit or installed at customer location. That pretty much covers about asset management. In next episode, we will take a look at the contract and entitlement management in detail. Thanks for watching this webinar.